Christina.
And I'm Isabella.
And today we are going to be straightening my sister's hair for the first time because she never lets me do it. So
it's really curly because yesterday she put my hair into braid.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys saw that video, but you can go check it out. So I'm using a straightening iron, and it's already heated up. So I'm basically just
gonna burn off my head.
I'm just gonna straighten her hair.
Oh,
like that.
Good.
And see,
compared to this,
compared to it, she never gets her hair straightened, and this is the first time I get to.
My hair is naturally just curly
and frizzy.
Yeah.
Gonna go down her hair, and I'm gonna hold it away from her face for 1 minute so it doesn't burn her face. And if it's like still a little curly, because her hair is naturally curly, I'm just gonna let it go. See how good that looks?
It looks really good.
So we're basically gonna do half of her hair because then it won't be like too long of a video just straightening her hair.
Yeah.
You don't want to get that big of a section, so I'm just gonna. I've done it, but I haven't straightened. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy notifications. Bye guys, stay tuned for the next video.